Hello coffee enthusiasts. Welcome to the Barista YouTube channel where we are all about brewing. Hey, I have heard that you are looking forward to brew an espresso shot and you don't want to buy an expensive espresso machine for that. Don't worry, I'll save your money with this great appliance. Do you know what this is? Yes, you got that right. It's an Aeropress. There's been a lot of debate over time. Can we brew an espresso using an Aeropress? Well, the Aeropress can surely produce a coffee that resembles espresso, but it will not have the exact same characteristics as a shot pulled from a professional espresso machine. However, it's a fantastic alternative to those who don't have an espresso machine or want to enjoy a quick and flavorful coffee at home that comes close to an espresso. Also, it's budget friendly and eliminates the unnecessary cost of buying an espresso machine. No one can get an espresso from a cafe every day. It's so time consuming and even expensive. Before moving forward, let's check what we need for brewing our espresso-like shot. So here we'll require an Aeropress, 2 Aeropress filters, a coffee scale, a thermometer, or an electric kettle that lets you adjust its temperature, and some espresso beans. I have mentioned the links of all the appliances that I'm using in the description, so you can easily order it from there. Now, why espresso beans only? Though any beans would work fine, espresso beans are preferred for better extraction. Expert tip: espresso beans are beans perfect for espresso. They differ from other beans by their roast level, grind size, and high pressure. So let's assemble our Aeropress. So let's start by placing the filter paper inside the filter cap and rinsing it with some hot water. Don't forget this step as it helps remove any papery taste and preheats the brewing chamber. Now it's time to grind our coffee beans. Oops, espresso beans. For an espresso-like extraction, we want a fine grind size. Aim for a texture similar to table salt or finely powdered sugar. We have already ground the coffee in our favorite bowl grinder. Let's put it into the Aeropress. Here, I am using around 20 grams of coffee for authentic espresso experience. Next, it's time to heat our water. Expert tip: ideally, we'll go for water temperature of around 92 to 96 degrees Celsius, just below the boiling point. In a steady and controlled manner, pour the hot water into the Aeropress, saturating all the coffee grounds. Give the coffee and water mixture a gentle stir to ensure even extraction and release the dense flavors. Then attach the plunger to create a seal. Now let's introduce our hero, the extraction. Slowly and steadily push the plunger down, applying even pressure until you hear a hissing sound. Aim to finish the extraction within 25 to 30 seconds. And we have our espresso brewed with Aeropress. Look at that rich concentrated cup. Let's taste this. Absolutely delightful. To enhance your Aeropress espresso experience, you can experiment with various factors. Adjusting the grind size can impact the extraction and the strength of your coffee. Finer grinds can intensify the flavors, while coarse grinds may result in a milder taste. Additionally, you can play around with the coffee to water ratio. If you prefer a stronger and bolder espresso-like coffee, you can increase the coffee dosage and decrease the amount of water. On the other hand, if you prefer a milder flavor, you can adjust the ratio accordingly. Temperature also plays a crucial role in the extraction process. While we mentioned earlier that the ideal temperature range is around 92 to 96 degrees Celsius, feel free to experiment with different temperatures to find out your perfect balance of flavors. Remember, brewing coffee is an art, and Aeropress gives you the freedom to express your creativity. Don't be afraid to try new recipes, explore different coffee beans, and discover your personal preference. If you want to dive deeper into the world of coffee brewing and explore more recipes, don't forget to check out our other videos on the Barista YouTube channel. We have a treasure trove of coffee knowledge waiting for you. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried making espresso-like coffee with an Aeropress? What techniques and variations have you experimented with? Share your thoughts, tips, and experiences in the comments below. Cheers to the joy of brewing and savoring delicious espresso-like coffee. Thank you for staying with us till the end. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-related content.